Hello, 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 my food loving friends. Today we're going to manually clean our oven. I find that when you use the oven cleaner, like the self cleaner, it doesn't clean the door properly, so it gets all black and dirty. So today we're going to put some elbow grease in, and we're going to have a beautiful clean oven by the time we're done. So let's go clean our oven. We have a spray bottle. Here we have 1 cup of vinegar. We're going to put half of it in here. And then we're also going to use baking soda. Take the baking soda. I'm going to use maybe a half of this. And I'm going to put it in here. Because what I'm doing is I'm making a paste.
That's it. The oven is clean.
That's right. The the oven is nice and clean. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, my food loving friends, bye bye.